So that's him underneath this little dog pile here. He's being the victim right now. You know, he's being the attacker there. He's stacking the shoes now.